Hi, I'm Shabana. This is Amrita. We're the Maverick makeup artists from the Cloakroom. Today we're going to talk about the Parachute Tender Coconut Hair Oil. It's my absolute favorite, and I'm going to tell you why I like it more than any other hair oil. My hair is fine, it's limp, and my scalp is sensitive, which means it gets annoyed very easily. Any kind of product that doesn't agree with it gives me, well, a kind of dandruff. It's not exactly infectious and it's not itchy, but my scalp tends to flake and get very, well, unsightly and uncomfortable. So for the longest time, I didn't oil. You know, we all have this thing about, oh, my grandmother used to do it, or oh, my mother used to do it, or oh, it's so not cool, which has absolutely nothing to do with it. In fact, there was a point in my life where I had actually started balding. I mean, I know nobody thinks it's going to happen to them, but when you have really fine hair like mine, sometimes as it starts to thin on your scalp, you can actually see patches of your scalp showing through. Now that is not a good situation for anybody, and believe me, I was really upset when that happened.
It's scary too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I mean, when you're in your 20s or your 30s, you don't think about balding. I mean, it's ridiculous. So what I did was I basically took the advice of my mother-in-law and my mother, and they said, why don't you try oiling? So after much grumbling and groaning and generally being a pain, I decided, okay, I'll give it a shot. Now I tried a variety of different oils. I tried a lot of fortified oils, a lot of Ayurvedic oils. Now I found that with my hair type and my scalp type, they were just too heavy. I can't really think of any other word for it. They made my hair really sticky, they weighed it down, and it took an eon to get them out of my hair. I mean, it just made matters worse. Plus, Ayurvedic oils, while they might be really good for you if they work for your hair and scalp type, like they work brilliantly for Amrita, but for me, just the smell coupled with the results that I saw were a big no-no. Then I tried pure coconut oil. Now, while pure coconut oil is really the best oil you can use, for me, again, same problem. It weighed down my hair. But pure coconut oil is brilliant for your kind of hair.
It's excellent for my hair. My hair is really dry, rough, tends to frizz a lot. So something like coconut oil, which is heavier, pure coconut oil that is, works brilliantly on my hair. But obviously it would not work for hair like Shabana's, which is scantier, thinner. It doesn't need to be weighed down with that much, you know, heavy of a product. This is much better for her kind of hair because it's lighter, although it is fortified with several different kinds of oils.
Right.
Like, I believe there's sunflower oil.
Sunflower, mustard, vegetable and mineral oil. It's great. The texture is surprisingly light. It gets absorbed fantastically quickly and easily in my scalp. And the best part is I don't have to overwash it when I'm trying to get it out. So I just use my standard 2 small coin-sized drops of shampoo, and that's it. You know, it actually works brilliantly. There are a lot of fortified oils in the market. You get argan oil, you get hibiscus oil, you get all kinds of things. I'm not saying they're bad, not at all. Just make sure if you're looking to oil, pick the oil that suits you. The easiest way to oil without getting irritated with it or getting it all over the place is this. All you need to do is warm the oil slightly if you want, because it just helps the scalp to absorb it better, and apply it with your fingertips 30 minutes before you wash your hair. That's it. Half an hour and you're sorted. You don't need to leave it overnight. You don't need to leave it for X amount of hours, because all it does in 30 minutes is all the nourishment you're going to get. Otherwise, all you do is breed bacteria, encourage dust to settle on your hair, and generally make it more difficult to get the oil off. So remember, 30 minutes, that's all you need. If you have any questions, comments, anything you'd like to say to us or hear from us, please subscribe to this channel. We love hearing from you, and a very big thank you for watching.